The question is that this House, having taken a serious note of the ignoble misconduct of Sri Derek O'Brien, member who has entered the well of the House, as also the inner well, and has been continuously shouting slogans, gesticulating aggressively at the chair, thereby disrupting proceedings of the House in utter disregard to the authority of the chair, and having been named by the chair, resolves that the above-mentioned member, Sri Derek O'Brien, be suspended from the service of the Council for the remainder of the session under Rule 256. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Sri Derek O'Brien, member, is suspended for the remaining part of this session.